Not a lot of people know this, but the Karnataka Khadi Gramodyoga Samyukta Sangha, which is located near Hubli in Dharwad district, is the only unit in India authorized to manufacture and supply the Indian flag. Fans of history would know that the Arthashastra, written in Sanskrit and dating back to the time of the Mauryan Empire, is one of the oldest books on governance, military strategy, politics, economics, justice, and the duties of rulers. It was written by Chanakya, the pioneer of political science. This oldest surviving manuscript is in the Mysore Oriental Library. The Ganda Berunda is used as the official emblem of Karnataka state government. It is a symbol of strength and an upholder of righteousness. It is a two-headed bird in Hindu mythology believed to possess immense magical strength. You can see the two Sharabas on either side of it. The Ganda Berunda was first inscribed on coins during the reigns of the Vijayanagar Empire in 1510 and has also been the official seal of many other kingdoms, the Hoysalas, the Kadambas, the Keladi, and the Mysore kingdom. Speaking about empires, the Vijayanagar Empire lasted longer than even the Mughal Empire, and some of the most famous works left behind during this time can be found in the ruins at Hampi. The unique ruins here represent the Dravidian style of art and architecture. The temples, with its monolithic sculptures and monuments, draw many visitors every year to view the excellent workmanship. Hampi has been declared a World Heritage Site and is located in the eastern part of central Karnataka. Hampi Utsav or Hampi Festival is hosted every year during the first week of November, as it is one of the best times to visit the place. Amidst the lush green paddy fields and coconut tree plantations stands Anjaneya Hill or Anjanadri, the birthplace of Hanuman, the Hindu monkey god. There is a temple of the deity Anjana, Hanuman's mother, holding him in her lap. The other attractions that one shouldn't miss when they are in this beautiful land of Hampi are mentioned here. In the videos to come, Dakshin Culture will take you to Hampi and take a closer look at the historical attractions there.